Hey student, this is second part of ammonia in which we will discuss 10 questions more for board examination. In my first video I have discussed 10 questions. So second part, this is second part of ammonia. Part 2 of ammonia in which we discuss more than 10 questions. So let's start without wasting time. In our first part, we have discussed up to question number 10, which are very important for board examination. If you will do these questions, you will get 100% marks in this related to this compound questions. So let's start again. Question number 11. Copy and complete the following equations. How you will do completion of these reactions? This is aluminum nitride. When aluminum nitride react with water, it gives aluminum hydroxide plus ammonia. This is the preparation of ammonia. And say third, B, C and D are the chemical properties of ammonia, in which ammonia when react with lead oxide, it gives lead and water and nitrogen. In excess of ammonia, chlorine gives nitrogen plus ammonium chloride. When ammonia react with carbon dioxide, it forms a very important organic compound which was first synthesized in laboratory. This is urea. This is urea. Remember, this is the first organic compound which has discovered in laboratory by Wohler. And which property of ammonia illustrate the equation C? Equation C is the, in this, ammonia act as a reducing agent, and in equation 4th, important fertilizer urea is formed. Important fertilizer, a nitrogenous urea, its formula is CONH2, urea is formed. This is a very important fertilizer. Next question, question number 12. Here we have 5 questions. First is, reddish brown precipitate is obtained when ammonium hydroxide added to ferrous sulfate. So reaction is here. This is the correct the following. Okay, this is incorrect because we are here talking about the ferrous sulfate. When iron is in plus oxidation state, it is dirty green color, and when it is in Fe3 oxidation state, it gives reddish brown. So this statement is incorrect. In place of reddish brown in this equation, color will be dirty green. Liquid ammonia is a solution of ammonia. So answer is correct. Liquid ammonia is liquefied ammonia. Third, concentrate H2SO4 is act as a drying agent in the preparation of ammonia. So answer is wrong. Sulfuric acid is used as a drying agent in the preparation of hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride, but here quicklime, calcium oxide is used as a drying agent. Ammonium salt on heating decomposed to give ammonia. Ammonium salt when heated with caustic alkalis, it gives ammonia. Now question number 13. What do you observe when ammonium hydroxide is added to the aqueous solution of ferrous sulfate? Dirty green ppt of the ferrous second hydroxide is obtained. Second, when iron third chloride react, it gives reddish brown ppt of iron third hydroxide. When it react with lead nitrate, it gives white ppt of lead oxide hydroxide, and when it reacts with zinc nitrate, it gives gelatinous white ppt of zinc hydroxide. This is the part of also analytical chemistry. If you want more and more content, just like and subscribe my channel, by which we can be prepared more and more video related to these topics. Why is ammonium hydroxide is used in qualitative analysis? Give two equations to justify your answer. Correct amount of ammonium hydroxide is added dropwise to the solution of metallic salt. They gives colored salts or precipitate. They help us to identify the metallic ions. That's why this is used in the qualitative analysis. Like ferrous sulfate, when react with ammonia, it gives dirty green precipitate of iron second hydroxide. And if it is reacting third, so we can easily third, then it gives reddish brown. So this method is useful to detect the different metals with the different oxidation numbers as well as different types of metals, because each and every metal gives different colors precipitate in ammonia hydroxide. Now give chemical test, distinguish ammonium chloride and sodium chloride. Ammonium chloride on strong heating sublime, and this is a sublimating substance and convert into white fumes, while NaCl is a non-sublimable substance, so it will remains same. Second, ferric salt and ferrous salt. Ferric salt gives reddish brown precipitate of hydroxide, while Fe second ferrous sulfate Fe2 positive gives dirty green precipitate of iron second hydroxide. Sodium sulfate and ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate warm with NaOH solution gives ammonia gas, while sodium sulfate does not liberate ammonia gas. So this is the difference. Now give balanced chemical equation of the following. Ammonia to nitrogen gives ammonia to nitrogen using an acidic gas. Ammonia when react with chlorine, it gives nitrogen gas. If ammonia is react with oxygen in presence of platinum catalyst, this is the preparation of nitric acid by Ostwald process. This is the first step of that equation, nitric acid's Ostwald process. This is very important. When ammonia heated with oxygen in presence of platinum catalyst, it gives nitric oxide. NO is called nitric oxide. This nitric oxide gets further oxidized and form nitrogen dioxide, and this nitrogen dioxide when hydrolyzed it gives HNO3. So this is the complete Ostwald process. When ammonia react with the excess of chlorine, it gives nitrogen trichloride and HCl gas. When aluminum chloride react with ammonium hydroxide, it gives white precipitate of aluminum hydroxide. When aluminum nitride hydrolyzes, it gives ammonia plus aluminum hydroxide. When lead oxide react with ammonia, it gives lead and nitrogen gas and water. Question number 17. Explain catalytic oxidation of ammonia in presence of platinum catalyst. On heating around 800 degrees Celsius, it gives nitric oxide. I have discussed this equation in previous question. Brown gas, NO2 is of brown colored gas. And to give two reactions to show the reducing properties of ammonia. Two reactions, ammonia is reduced student. To explain two properties question. Two reactions to show reducing property of ammonia. So here is the two reaction. When ammonia react with chlorine, it gives ammonium chloride and it reduces copper into copper, and here ammonia ammonia reduces chlorine into ammonium chloride. So these are the two reactions by which we can understand the reducing property of ammonia. Question number 18. These are the fill-ups. Give the correct word to the phrase to fill the bracket. Ammonium chloride is a soluble salt prepared by the precipitation or neutralization. So answer will be neutralization. When ammonium chloride is heated, it undergoes thermal decomposition or dissociation. So thermal decomposition is the right answer. Thermal decomposition, or it gives ammonia plus hydrogen chloride. Heating ammonium chloride with sodium hydroxide produces ammonia gas. So ammonia gas is formed. Question number 19. Name the gas which is prepared by Haber's process. So name of gas is ammonia. This is the name. Two gases which give dense white fumes, ammonia plus hydrogen chloride gas or chlorine gas, both can form. Then third one is the one salt of ammonia, in each case dry cell, ammonium chloride, explosive, ammonium nitrate, as a medicine, ammonium carbonate. An acid gas which reacts with a basic gas liberates neutral gas, that is hydrogen chloride. And basic gas is ammonia. When they both combine, they form give a neutral reaction, ammonium chloride. F. The gas obtained when a metallic chloride soluble in ammonium hydroxide, that is silver chloride. The gas obtained by the ammonia burned in atmosphere without, this is the nitrogen gas. And question number G, the nitride of divalent metal which reacts with the warm water, this is the ammonium nitride. And amphoteric oxide reduces by the basic gas is lead oxide. A white salt produced by an acid gas and a basic gas is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. This ammonium, related to this ammonium chloride, questions asked by different ways. Now 20 question. When ammonium hydroxide is added to solution B, a pale blue precipitate is formed. This pale blue precipitate dissolves in excess of ammonia. So what the probable color of B? When copper sulfate reacts with ammonium hydroxide, it gives pale blue color, but in excess of ammonium hydroxide, it is soluble in this, because it is forming a complex compound. We have discussed this question also in our previous part. In this part also we have discussed 10 questions before it. In one part we have discussed 10 more questions. In next part we will complete this chapter. If you like this series, kindly comment and share the videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you.